Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Purge bulb on your string trimmer. To install the new Purge bulb, I'll first place the Purge bulb through the base. Now I'll align the base with the carburetor. And I'll secure the base with the screws. Now I can reconnect the fuel lines and the throttle cable to the carburetor. Before I secure the carburetor to the engine, I'll inspect the old gasket. If the gasket is torn or ripped in any way, you'll want to go ahead and replace it. In fact, it's not a bad idea to simply replace any gasket when you remove it. I'll insert the screws from the air filter base through the carburetor, through the gasket, and then align the screws with the isolator and secure this assembly. I'll reinstall the air filter and finish by installing the air filter cover. And that's how you can install a new Purge bulb on your string trimmer.